Vibe coding in 2026 is killing old-school software engineering. If you are still shipping code like it is 2015, you are about to get outpaced by engineers who barely touch their keyboards. The era of the syntax-obsessed developer is dying, and a new breed of system orchestrators is taking over. By the end of this video, I will show you exactly how the industry is shifting toward vibe coding and how you can use tools like Cursor and Claude to become the highest paid engineer in 2026. Look guys, vibe coding isn't just a meme, it's a fundamental shift. Your high-level intent, your architectural vision, your vibe matters more than memorizing syntax or typing fast. Simply put, it's moving from manual labor to a creative direction. Pause for a second and be honest. Are you still spending 80% of your day typing? Or are you orchestrating? Today, we will cover how vibe coding accelerates promotions, enables solo product builds in a weekend, and why the junior developer role, as we knew it, is officially extinct. In the old way, you were a translator. Take a business requirement, write the logic line by line, test, debug, and repeat. Now, the translation layer is automated. Over 1.25 million developers use AI tools to handle the grunt work. Comment below what percentage of your current pull requests are actually written by you versus AI. For me, it's north of 70%. The old way, how do I write this loop? Vibe coding way, why does this loop exist and how does it connect to database, the cache and the API? We are moving from bricklayers to architects. If you stay a bricklayer, your value drops to zero. The AI is the world's fastest mason. Last week, I had an AI generate 8 new modules for a side project in under 30 minutes. I didn't type a single line. My job: map the system, review the code, and orchestrate the integration. Some people say AI will never replace me. True, but the job is already changing. If you resist AI, your career becomes irrelevant. Others say, I need to know syntax. False. Knowing syntax isn't useless, but critical thinking and architecture are 10x more valuable. Let's talk about the tools. Visual Studio Code is great, but it doesn't understand the vibe of your entire code base. Cursor does. Claude 3.5 Sonnet inside Cursor isn't just autocomplete. It's a partner that understands context, intent, and architecture. Here is the practical exercise for you. Open Cursor, pick a small feature you need, describe it in a natural language, watch the AI generate multiple files, pause, review, and ask, does this match my system design? This is your job now, editor-in-chief, not typist. Here is the bold truth. Junior tickets are now AI tickets. Writing a form field, adding a unit test done by AI. Your value is in reviewing, orchestrating, and system-level decision-making. Look guys, the middle of the workforce is hollowing out. Junior roles shrink because grunt work is gone. This is scary for some, but an opportunity for you. Cost of building software is plummeting. The solo engineer is now a powerhouse. Here is an example. A SaaS product that used to require 5 engineers can now be maintained solo using vibe coding. You are not just an employee, you are a deployment machine. Let's just imagine how many projects could you launch if AI handled 50–70% of the coding work. Vibe coding isn't about replacing humans, it's about supercharging humans. Here I would like to share with you a few practical tips on how to go from AI user to AI lead. First, stop memorizing, start mapping, stop learning every single framework, start studying system design, security and scalability. Know how pieces fit, even if you don't write them. Second, master the review skill. Your value is in spotting hallucinations, bugs, and logic flows. Become an elite code reviewer. Third, build in public, launch fast. Vibe coding enables solo projects. Market only cares if the product works and solves a problem. Fourth, scale with AI tools. Practice using Cursor plus Claude to orchestrate large models, test prompts, refine instructions, and learn how to structure system for AI execution. Last but not least, iterate and reflect. Review every AI-generated project. Ask, what would I change if a bug appears in production? Learn from errors to level up. Pick a side project this week. Plan it in a high-level steps. Let AI to execute it. Review, deploy, and you will see the multiplier effect immediately. Look guys, software engineering isn't dying, it's evolving. Vibe coding is the bridge to a career where you focus on creativity and architecture, not semicolons and boilerplate. Please hit the like, it tells the algorithm that the high-level engineering content matters. Check out my software engineering starter guide, actionable strategies to level up your career with AI and master high-level engineering. Link in the description. And don't miss my previous video, how to get ahead of 99% of engineers. I go deep into the habits that separate high earners from the rest. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't get left behind. Now, go open the cursor, stop typing and start orchestrating. I will see you in the next one.